Want to change Siri's voice on your iPhone 8 Plus? Hey there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to change Siri's voice on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, tap Siri and search. Make sure that your Listen for Hey Siri and press Home for Siri is toggled on. After that, tap Siri Voice. Now choose a variety of voices. Suppose I'm choosing British. It will take some time to download. Now choose voice style. I'm choosing voice 2. Voice also needs to be downloaded. It will also take some more time. And that's it. Check whether Siri's voice is changed or not. So guys, this is the process to change Siri's voice on your iPhone 8 Plus. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.